Hey guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Getaways. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm here to review a product which is a must-have for all the ladies in the festive season which is about to come, and that product is inside this box. So let's quickly open it up. This is the product. Well, this is the Isabella Ceramic Professional Electric Hair Straightener which I bought from Amazon. This costed me rupees 549 and with the delivery charge I think it was rupees 569. So let's quickly open it up and see whether it really works or not. So this is the product. I got it like this. Okay, so this is the straightener, this is the plug, this is the straightener, and let's see what else. Nothing else inside the box. So this is the manual. Okay, let's just quickly plug it and use it and see. Okay, so let me just show you some things. Well, this is the brush. These are the bristles. Okay, so this is the power button, this is the temperature control button, and I think the temperature will be displayed here. So let's turn it on. Okay, it's on. I think it's heated up. It has reached 310 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's see if it works or not. So as per the instructions, I'll just use this much hair. Just use it like this. Can you see that? I think it works. As per the instructions, I am required to take small portions and just comb my hair like this from root to the tip. So this is the final result which I got after using the Isabella hot brush, and I totally love it. You know, to get the same look with the help of a hair straightener would require an investment of much longer time than using the Isabella hot brush. So I totally give this product a thumbs up. And I also love this product because this is very affordable and it only costs rupees 569. So what else can you just ask for? So I totally recommend this product for those ladies who wants to style their hair but cannot really invest much time for that. So this is really useful for them. So that was it for today's video. I hope you found it useful. please don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and please do subscribe to my channel. Until we meet next time, take care and bye bye.